Today, alright, so today we got all these trains in the rail yard. But we got Thomas, Annie, Clarabelle, and Connor on the track. So let's turn Thomas on and let's get Connor going. And the dispatcher cleared all the other locomotives off the main line. Wouldn't be a crash at the rail yard. Oh, we got an accident. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, Thomas is on his side. Thomas flipped. He's hurt. Alright, we picked him up and put him back on the track. Put him back on the track. Thomas is going under the bed. But Connor is catching up. Oh, Thomas got stuck. And Connor's giving him a push. And they're coming down back straightaway. Oh, and Connor gets derailed. Alright, we have to derail Connor. Let's put him back on the track. But Connor is catching up. Underneath the computer stand. And here they go, coming through the rail yard. But they're hitting Hero, the Japanese engine. They're going up the hill, and Thomas is sliding down. Douglas and all the other locomotives are in, not Douglas, Donald. Donald is number 9. Oh, Connor gets derailed. Uh-oh. Oh, he's back on the track. There they go, climbing up the big hill. Yeah! The new Trackmaster Thomas. In the old Trackmaster Connor. Look how big that yard is. Oh! Accident! Oh, Clarabelle and Annie. Another accident. As you all know, accidents can happen. Let's put Annie and Clarabelle back behind Thomas. Annie and Clarabelle are Thomas's coaches. Oh, Thomas is stuck. He's stuck. And Connor's giving him a push. And he's going to slide down the hill. There he goes. make a wall next to the track. A wall. There we go. There we go. Here's Connor going to push along. Yeah! The new Trackmaster Thomas pulling Annie and Clarabelle, and the old Trackmaster Connor is pulling the 75th anniversary push along Trackmaster Thomas. Look at all these engines and rolling stock in this big rail yard. Alright, I'll see you in the next video of Thomas and Connor going back to there. Listen, enjoy the trains, and I'll see you guys later.